Now, with so many in need, the Department of Health and Human Services is hosting a drive-through food pantry in Virginia Beach right now, and cars have been lining up since early this morning. Ann Sparacco joins us live at the event where city residents are getting fresh food ahead of the holiday. And Ann, how's the line looking out there right now?
Ashley, well, the line is definitely shorter now, but starting around before 8 a.m. is what officials say. People started lining up and filling this parking lot. You can see some of the cars still lining up, getting the last of the food that is available today. The volunteers even had to start the drive-thru as early as they could, just showing you how great the need is in this area, especially during this time of year.
Fresh fruits, vegetables, canned goods, and more, all ready to hand over to the hundreds of people in need for food this year.
We were expecting a significant turnout, but to actually see it the day of is quite something.
The Virginia Beach Drive-Thru Food Pantry is hosted by the city and the Food Bank of Southeast Virginia. President and CEO of the Food Bank, Ruth Jones-Nichols, says the number of people showing up is not surprising, but says they are working to make sure every need is met.
The food insecurity rates throughout our service area were at alarming levels prior to the COVID-19 pandemic.
We're just keeping it as tight as we can to get everybody off the road.
The long line of cars backing up through this parking lot all the way to Virginia Beach Boulevard, with drivers having to circle around multiple times just to get in line.
I just really needed to get some food.
One woman in line, Latoya Nedad, works in private health care and has 3 kids to take care of.
Although I literally work about 16 hours out of the day, it is still hard trying to find enough money to just get enough food, and my kids are home every day.
She says seeing others turn up to the drive-thru like her makes her feel not alone, and says she is grateful to have made it in line for help.
It warms my heart because I do what I do because I like to help people, so seeing other people help people, I love it.
The food bank says it expected to feed up to 600 people with the amount of food they have on hand, but says they are working to help the surplus of families in line for this drive-thru.
Now, of course, this is a first come, first served basis, or until the food pantry runs out of food of its supply today. So if you're still in need of food assistance but missed the event or didn't make it in time, you can find more resources of where you can find help on our website. That's 13newsnow.com. Live in Virginia Beach, Ann Sparacco for 13 News Now.